Hi everyone, Carly here, and I am here to show you how to make a custom banner for Google Classroom using Canva. Now, Canva is an amazing website. It allows you to design posters, videos, Instagram's logos, infographics, you name it, it's there. So I'm just going to give you a little peek at the just volume of different graphic designs you can actually create using Canva. But as I said today, we are going to make a Google Classroom banner. So the first step in doing this process is to look for a Google Classroom header template. So I just typed in Google Classroom. Looks like you can make up an image for an announcement, or let's do the header. So once I find that, it gives me a selection of different banners to choose from. Some of them are paid, so you'd have to subscribe to the premium version of Canva to use those. Some of them are free. And the way you find that out is you kind of hover over the different designs and it will tell you. So I've subscribed to the premium free trial, so that's why this has a little crown and a little free there. But let's say I'm going to use this one because it is free. So I'm going to click on that design. What happens is a new tab opens with an editor for you to work with. So once this loads, this is my template. I can change just about anything I want on this template, but it's a good place to get started. So the first thing I'm going to change is the background color because, yellow is not my thing. So if I click on the upper edge of the template, a little box opens up and that's for background color. So it will give me ideas for the theme that's already established in this template, or I can just go down and look for some other different colors. So let's say I'm in a purple mood today. That's the one I'm going to choose. Actually, I don't like that. So maybe I'll go with a gray. Or maybe I just want to keep that really pretty design in the background. I'll just click undo to get back to the design that it starts with. Now to change font, I can just click here, double click, and I can write welcome or something else. Down here, I can say just something different. You can change the font type by clicking this drop down menu. This also has premium fonts as well. You'll notice there's a little silver crown right here. There's a whole lot of free stuff in there as well. I like this one. That one's kind of fun. I can change font color just by clicking here. I can make it bold by clicking bold. I can change the alignment just by clicking on that button. Bullets, there's lots of things here too. Even more choices. I can even change the transparency of the text if I want as well, which is really neat. Um, Now, let's say I want to add some elements to the page. Maybe I want to add some other different pictures or something like that. So I'm going to go up here, type in turkey. And once again, if you hover over the object, it tells you if it's free or not. Um, So I'm going to choose this little guy because he kind of matches. There's my little turkey. I can move him around anywhere on the page. Now, a little tip here, only click the image once. You don't need to double click because if you do, what happens is you get multiple turkeys. So watch this. Ready? I'm going to double click on that. And I've got two turkeys. You can delete it as easily as clicking on the object and clicking backspace, and that will go away. Um, I could add more text boxes just by clicking text. It gives you a bunch of really fun things to do. Once again, there are free, but there's also paid features. There's a ton of free things in here. And then the other thing I could do is let's say I want to upload an image from my computer. I just click upload, upload media, and then I can browse my computer for an image that I'd like to add. So let's see, I'll get this working. I'll add a picture of the Bennett Library to my banner. Takes a second. Once again, I only click it once. And there is my image of the Bennett Library. I can make it bigger, smaller. I can move it around just by clicking here. Now, let's say I want I want to edit the image. I can click crop. I can flip it around if I wanted, flip horizontal. Woohoo! I can also animate the image. So it gives me a whole ton of different options. Once again, there's a ton of free, but also some paid versions as well. So that's a quick overview. Oh, I almost forgot. The last thing you need to do is when you're ready, you click download. It will give you a suggestion. Since I've animated this image, it's giving me an MP4 video. That won't work in Google Classroom, as far as I know. Um, so I always would go to like JPEG because it's an image and then click download. Super simple. Then I would just go to one of my Google Classroom pages. And then I want to change my background up here. So when you log in, it has this customize option. I can click upload photo, and I would click and drag that photo. And since it's automatically set to, or Canva has created the template size for Google Classroom, you don't have to mess around with it too much. You don't have to worry about it being the right size because it's already there. And then I just click select class theme and my banner is updated in Google Classroom. So that is how you make a custom banner using Canva. But you can see that there is lots of different things that you can create using Canva. Um, and I'll probably be sharing some more later on. All right. Thank you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.